Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a story that I think every developer will relate to. The story of persistence, teamwork, and finally launching CoderHabit. It's a VS Code extension that tracks your coding activity and visualizes with heatmaps and graphs. But this was not an overnight success. I failed multiple times before finally making it. Let me share you the journey with you and stick around till the end for a full walkthrough of how CoderHabit works and why it can help you too. I have always been fascinated by productivity tools, especially ones that help us understand our habits. As a developer, I often wonder how much am I coding? Am I consistent? That's when the idea of CoderHabit was born, a tool that tracks your activity in VS Code and shows as a heat map. Sounds simple, right? But executing it was hard. I started working on this idea over a month ago. I tried to learn how to build a VS Code extension, but I kept hitting walls. My code did not work. I lacked the skills, and at one point, I gave up. Still, the idea would not leave me alone. I knew it was something developers would love because I wanted it for myself. So one day I decided to tell my friends about it. I remember saying, "Hey, I have failed at this a few times, but I think we can make it happen together." To my surprise, they were as excited as I was. That's when everything changed. We divided the work. One friend took the backend, another handled the website, and I focused on VS Code extension. We set a crazy goal to finish it in 1 week. It was not easy. We worked late nights, debate over features, but every small victory kept us going. By day 3, we had basic tracking working. By day 5, we had authentication in place. On day 7, we pushed the website live with premium features and international payments gateway. It was intense, but we did it. But CoderHabit is more than just a project for us. It's a way to empower developers. It helps you see patterns, tracks consistency, and even gamify your productivity. Whether you are working on a passion project or preparing for deadlines, knowing your habit can make a huge difference. Now let's jump into fun part, a quick walkthrough of CoderHabit. Install the extension from the VS Code marketplace. Activate it by running activate CoderHabit command in VS Code. This opens a secure page where you will enter email and verify it with an OTP. Once authenticated, the extension starts tracking your activity. To see your stats, just click the View Start button. It will redirect you to our website. On the website, first you have to log in here. After login, you will redirect to dashboard. Here you will find your heat map. Each square shows how much you have coded on a particular day. The free version gives you overview, but if you are like me, want to dive deeper, check out the premium features. With premium you get detailed charts showing you most particular hour, weekly trends and more. And yes, we made it super easy to upgrade. Just click the buy premium button, complete the checkout, and your advanced stats will unlock instantly. So that's the story of CoderHabit, an idea that almost didn't happen, a team that made it possible, and a tool that I hope will help developers worldwide. What features would like to see next? Let us know in the comment or drop a message on the website. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. And if you are a developer, give CoderHabit a try. It might just change the way you code. See you in the next one.